Hey designers, let's dive into creating a slow motion effect on videos. Even if your footage is shot in 20 fps or 25 fps, you can still achieve a smooth and professional slow-mo effect. It's surprisingly simple. Let's get started. We'll begin with a sample video of a car. This footage is at 25 fps, so let's add the slow motion effect to it. First, go to Effects and Presets and search for an effect called Time Warp. Drag and apply it to your video. Next, locate the speed property and click on the stopwatch icon. Now, set the speed to 24 for the starting keyframe. Move the playhead a few frames forward and decrease the speed further, perhaps to 5, to create a dramatic slowdown. Shift the keyframe slightly to the left to smooth out the transition. Move the playhead further ahead in the timeline and increase the speed to 90. Then, a few more frames forward, increase the speed again. Finally, take the playhead near the end of the timeline and set the speed to a much higher value for a rapid finish. When you play it back, you'll see the effect. The video slows down at the key points you set and speeds up at others. You can adjust the keyframes positions and speed values based on where you want the slow motion to appear and how you want the transitions to feel. The process remains the same. Experiment with keyframe placement and speed values to get the perfect flow. Alright, let's move on to another example. Here, we have a video of a man standing in front of a window. First, let's preview the video to get a sense of the action. We're going to apply the slow motion effect to this clip. Start by selecting the video and going to Effects and Presets. Search for the Time Warp effect and apply it to your footage. Next, locate the speed property and click the stopwatch icon to enable keyframes. Let's begin by increasing the speed to 100 for the first keyframe. To view the keyframes on your timeline, press U on your keyboard. Move the playhead a few frames forward, stopping at the point where the man looks at the camera. Here, reduce the speed to around 7 to create a dramatic slowdown. Move the playhead forward, adjust the speed to 16 for a smoother transition. Now, let's preview how it looks. It seems a bit too slow at some points. Let's tweak it. Shift the last keyframe slightly to the left to speed up the transition. Adjust the positioning of your keyframes to control where you want the video to slow down or speed up. At this stage, increase the speed again and, for the final keyframe, decrease the speed to create a smoother finish. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Ace Designs for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.